This video is how to install / replace window stripping on aluminum windows. This is the piece I'm going to replace right here. As far as how they go in, this one is easy to see because of the way it's coming out. You see how these two things go up against the window. Here's the piece I'm going to use to replace it. It's going to go in like so. First step is just to remove the piece that's in there. And sometimes I use silicone, so you may have to use something to help get it out. Generally, a flathead screwdriver works best. If these windows are put in right, theoretically they're supposed to be about a 1/16 of an inch space for this trim to fit under. But anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get the rest of the silicone off. Then I'm going to take some Windex, clean this up. There's a couple different ways these ends can go together. Some of them are overlap, and on these that's just a 45-degree cut. So I'm going to measure and cut 45 degrees on the correct length of my new piece. And this stripping is available at Home Depot. The best way to cut it is just use a X-Acto knife and a piece of wood, kind of score it and cut it like that. Okay, there it is, all cleaned up and stuff. Now if this window had some space, 1/16 of an inch like it's supposed to, between the window and the edge, which it does not, then I would make sure and clean out that groove and put silicone, very small bead of silicone on here before I install the new strip. But since it doesn't have that, I'm not going to use any silicone. Okay, the easiest way to put these in is up here. One-handed. And put this front edge, this front lip up against the edge, and then you want to push down on the back, and you're probably going to have to use a putty knife or something. I'll get it started and then show you. Okay, I got it started, and as I go along I'm just going to make sure that's underneath the lip and use this putty knife and press down on the back. That helps to get it into place, and that's a pretty efficient way to do it. That's, of course, you can just do it by your hands, which I'm able to do on this. On the last one I had to use the putty knife to get it in place. And there we go, all finished in there nice and tight. That's it. Well, as it turned out, I should have used silicone on these windows. See the ends coming up? Due to the extreme heat, these are exposed to the sun. I think that if they were in a spot that was not exposed to the sun as much, I probably wouldn't need the silicone, because they originally fit in there pretty tight. I just used standard window and door silicone, and I already did it on that one, and just run a bead across there, and that's it.